Hi guys, welcome to another video. So me and Mama is going to Vare.
Body, mine is called Isbia.
Oh, Isbia. Okay. We're going to this. We're going to like shopping spree. Not really. It's more like not clothes. We're not gonna buy clothes. We're just gonna buy like items. And I need to find this perfume I'm looking for, like I said in the other video, the Japanese cherry blossom perfume, like a body spray that my friend has. So yeah, and it only costs 49 kroner actually, which is quite cheap because it's big.
And I'm going actually in Jysk.
And we're going to Jysk. It's Jysk is like it's like a it's a brand for like selling some furnitures, decoration and like that, like yeah, just like home things. And yeah, what are we gonna eat for dinner?
Egg.
I wanna be friends with her.
Yan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mariam.
How
Gapahon.
How you know?
She goes in 8th grade.
Oh. That day is in
She is
half, maybe.
yeah, she is half, but she's Christian. She's I think Turkish
Oh my god.
or Syrian. Who?
Then they want sugar.
Oh, but she is so pretty, like yeah, like she has this very like interesting face feature, like so yeah, that's it. So we're on the way in Isbia. I'm gonna update you guys. Your
And so guys, andito na kami sa Belka. Saan nag-iikot-ikot kami. Ang daming sale talaga dito. Oh. Dati, mahilig akong magbili-bili. Ngayon, hindi na masyado. Kasi, kailangan matuto yung mindset na kung gusto mong mag-ipon, baguhin mo ang iyong mindset. So, minsan kahit gusto mo, pinipigilan. So, yeah. Mindset is the important for today's video. Kasi minsan kahit iniisip mong mag-ano ka, mura na lang oh. Iniisip mo na oh, yan oh, nagmura. 199 na lang. Ito yung gusto ko po ito. Air fryer.
should we buy one?
8 liters. 4.5. Ito yung 4.5. Ay, 8 liter. Ito, ano to? Ilang, ano to? Saan yung 4.5? Gusto ko to. Ano to? Ah, pizza. So, sometimes, gusto mo mag-ipon, kailangan mo baguhin niya yung mindset, diba guys? Kasi, minsan, iniisip mo mag-ipon, walang nangyayari. Kasi, yung mindset mo, hindi talaga nakasit sa mind mo. Parang ganun. Mura, Piskis tayo. Dati mahilig kaming bumili na ito. Oh.
Isn't that big?
Yeah. Ngayon di na masyado. And this guys, naghahanap ako ng flowers na, or not, yung plants ba na malaki na ilalagay ko sa bahay. Kaso mahal. Hindi, wow.
What?
Something like this, Ins. Mas gusto ko yung mga ganito ba, Ins? Oh.
I'm not even being sarcastic.
Magkano to? Can you, find oh, nakita. Yung fries. Ito, oh. Wala man kasing fries. 229 ins, oh. Maganda rin ba di? It's real. Ito. Ito, I cannot really see the cost. Ito, it's 249 ito. Pumunta ako sa US pala man akong nakita. Ito, pangit man kasi. Yun sana, ito. Yun, walang nabili guys ang ending kain. Hindi pa kami nakabili kasi wala puro sold out yung inaano ko, nahanap ko na
Danish pa.
sold out. Yeah, sold out.
You said it also.
Nah, yes, sold out.
No, you didn't.
No, packing ka. No, namaya. Sold out guys yung mga hinahanap ko. Tapos sa kanya sold out din yung perfume. Wala, kain na lang. Ang liit na. And guys, we are home na. So, yes, ito yung nabili namin, perfume. Kasi wala man yung perfume na hinahanap niya. And nabili na ako ng carrots, cheese na hindi ko ma-explain. And itong citron. And s'more at itong muesli. Yan lang nabili namin. And kumain kami doon. So, yan guys, this is it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!